Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at extending the reach of core SAP Business One with the Produmex suite of WMS tools. So before we get started, let's look at what can you do out of the box with SAP Business One. The first thing is through a PC or a browser interface, you've got all the typical warehouse management capabilities, everything from miscellaneous receipts and issues to receiving against purchase orders, picking, packing, shipping, RMAs, production completion, cycle counting, and all of that. So you can do all of this out of the box with SAP Business One. The only caveat is you need a tethered device for barcodes, a wedge or a wand, something like that. Now, Produmex has a couple of different WMS products. The first one, Produmex Scan, and we'll actually take a look at this. This then extends those same set of capabilities out of the box in Business One, and then it extends them out to a smartphone or a or a barcode device. And so that's really the extent of Produmex Scan. It extends core WMS functionality out to handhelds. Now, the only thing here is that the issued labor to production would be labor items, not resources. Whereas in Core Business One, you can also post labor against a resource. Then we have Produmex WMS, or the enterprise version of Produmex. This adds in a ton of additional functionality. Again, all the core capabilities. The caveat here with production is that this is designed more for process manufacturing, not discrete manufacturing. And then Produmex WMS is going to add in things like sales containers, purchase container management, route planning if companies do delivery, scale integration, catch weights, which is pretty common in the food industry. 3PL, we'll talk a little bit about that, wave picking, dual unit of measures, and I won't go down the whole list here, but you can see it's pretty extensive. So now let's go ahead and let's take a look at these two solutions, Produmex Scan and Produmex WMS in action. Okay, let's take a look at Produmex Scan. Now, it doesn't add anything into the menu system with the exception of a tab that gets added into the employee master data. And so when we install Produmex Scan, let me bring up my employee record in case you're wondering what I look like. There's me. Now, Produmex Scan, what it does is it adds this new tab here called Handheld. And this is where you can determine, for that employee,